Okay, I tried something new for the first time. I did a 72-hour fast. Only water, no supplements, nothing, just straight water for 72 hours. And before you do this, consult with your doctor. I'm not a doctor, so I'm just put the disclosure out there. I'm not a doctor, so if you're gonna try this, consult with your doctor first. But like I said, I didn't drink nothing but water, nothing else. No lemonade, no coffee, no additives, nothing. So just straight water, and I'm gonna walk you through my journey. And the reason why I did this, I wanted to test my blood sugar levels because they're pretty high, and I'm not taking medication for it. So I'm gonna see if I can just do exercise and maybe go on a diet, or I'm gonna try to see what this 72-hour fast do to my blood sugar level. Also my hypertension. So check this out, and this is my journey. We started right here, so I'm gonna give you my measurement right before I started on my blood sugar, and I'm gonna walk you through the process of how I was feeling and my last reading after 72 hours. Okay, here we go. Good morning, I just woke up. This is, I say day number 2. So that's been 36 hours. So at 7 o'clock today, it'll be 48 hours without eating any food. And the only thing I'm drinking is water. That's all I'm drinking, just water. No electrolytes, no nothing. So I'm gonna try this out today, and if I start feeling a little dizzy or something, I'm gonna probably get some electrolytes or anything. But I'm doing a 72-hour fast. So right now I'm on 36 hours. I'm halfway there. So I'm just trying this out. I'm gonna check my blood sugar levels and just see. I noticed that I've been checking it and it's slowly been going down, you know? So I'm gonna show you guys the results throughout this process. All right, enjoy your day and keep going. Okay, this is hour 48 fasting. So I haven't had no food, only drink water, no juices, no tea, no coffee, just straight water. So I'm getting ready to go to the gym and maybe do 30 minutes or an hour workout, little workout, not too much. This is my first time ever doing 72 hours of fasting, just with water. I've done one day, but not 3 days. So straight water, that's it. No supplements or nothing. So let's see how this workout goes. Okay, here we go. I done cleaned everything up. So we're gonna stick this in here. It's been 48 hours, a little over 48 hours. So let me check my blood glucose. So we're gonna poke it right here. Ouch. And we're gonna check and see what happened. See what kind of reading we get. 154. So before it was 169. So this is 2 days after 48 hours, 154. So it's slowly going down. All right, we'll check it again in another 24 hours. So that'll be my 72 hours. All right, my 72-hour water fast has ended. It's been 72 hours. So let's check this blood glucose. All right, let's see what 72 hours of fasting. Oh, 131. Okay, so as you guys seen in the beginning, I think it was like 239. 3 days of fasting, almost went down 100. So that's 131. The morning after my 72-hour fast, I was scared to try it, but I did try it. 72 hours, only water. But I did eat breakfast this morning, and my fast ended yesterday, or that Wednesday, at 7 o'clock p.m. And I did eat a little food, some fish and shrimp. But during that night, I was up that night because my stomach wasn't acting right. But this morning, I feel great. I even checked my blood pressure. My blood pressure was lower than normal. It was because I do have a little hypertension, but it was a little lower. I checked my blood sugar. As you can see, it was a little lower, and I feel great. You know, I'm eating, again, I ate some eggs this morning and some bacon and some sausage and a few other things. I was scared to do it, and I did it. So that was my journey, and thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and have a great day.